everyone, welcome you all in my fourth part of the tutorial that is based on Scratch programming language, and this tutorial is based on the story of Piku. Actually, Piku imagined himself that after quarantine when he go to his music class, then how he is going to enjoy his time. So let's begin with the instruction.
So first here we start with the program. I select my sprite. My sprite is Piku. So Piku walking. I click on it. My sprite is ready. Now I want to select my backdrop. So just select my backdrop. Boardwalk I want to select. Now after that I want to select event. I give an event to my sprite. As you see, it has so many costume. Now I made my variables. First variable is action and second variable I made direction. After that I want to write my program, and this basic program has three basic concepts. So first concept is either my sprite is going to right side, either it's going to left side, or it should be stable. So as you can see in the program, when it is not moving at all, it means it is stable. Now I take here two loops, if else, if else. So in this I'm going to write the program. If the right key is pressed, then my sprite will move to right direction. So the action of my sprite is walk. It shows my sprite is walking if key is pressed. So walk in x direction by 5. You know it very well. If you do not familiar with this, then you can go to my first tutorial that shows the motion, so you can clear your concept there. Now if the left arrow key is pressed, then it will be walking as well, and it change x by -5. So you know very well, I guess. With the number line I can explain you that this point is 0, where we are not moving at all. If we are going to right hand side, that means it shows positive with positive sign, and if we are moving left hand side, it shows negative sign. So this is why in the program we are taking change x by +5, means it goes when right key is pressed, it goes to positive side. When left key is pressed, it goes in negative side. And if nothing is happened, means if not right key is pressed, not left key is pressed, then our sprite is in stable position, or we can say ideal position. Ideal means not moving at all. So in the action it shows that our sprite is ideal. Now next part of the program, we have to put this all the program in forever loop, because I want to move my sprite again and again, follow the instructions again and again. As you can see that it will not changing their costume, because we are not selecting the costume option yet. I want my sprite when it start action, so it should be in ideal position. That is why I take the block set action to ideal. After that I also want that my sprite costume should be the costume number 1 in the beginning. So I selected, and I select the costume that is Piku Walk 1. So this is my basic programming. Now it's time for the animation script. So how we can animate our sprite to move in both directions. like in right hand side, in left hand side, and it look like just it's moving or it takes turn. So I select the another event here. When the green flag is clicked, then we are going to choose our loop, that is the forever loop, and in loop we have a condition. So what is our condition? We have a condition that if action is equals to walk, then my sprite will change costume. So I go to the looks and I select next costume. And if action is not equals to walk, that means it should be in ideal position. We have to wait for 0.2 second, not for 1 second, because with 1 second it seems like that our costume is changing. Now in 0.2 second it looks like that my sprite is moving properly and enjoying a lot. Now I want to move my sprite in two directions. So for this I make every sprite as a duplicate sprite, as you can see in the program. So what is duplicate? Duplicate is basically if I have a card with number 1, then its duplicate is just same like the card with number 1. If I have a card with number 2, it means the duplicate of 2 is same like number 2. Same as in case of card with number 3. Its duplicate is look like number 3 card. So just like that, we have to do duplicate of every sprite, and we have to flip the duplicate one. So what is flipping? Let's understand. Like this is a box. Suppose this box is facing to left hand side. Now if I'm going to flip this box, then it shows now to right hand side. It means if my face is left hand side, so after flipping it will become right hand side. Now as you see in picture 1, 2, so picture 2 you have to flip. It means the picture you make the duplicate one, so you have to flip that picture only. So we have done with flipping. Now if I add next costume behind next costume, so it seems like normal to me in the program. So for avoiding right left, we have to put next costume 2 times. Now next we have to do that, we have to press right arrow key, then our sprite will move right hand side. If we press left, it will move left hand side. So here is my Piku. At right hand side there is a Piku's home. At left hand side there is Piku's music classes. So if Piku want to go music class, then Piku will go to music class, not go to his home. So if I press left key, then my sprite will go to left side, means Piku will go to music class only, not go to home. So this is what you can see in the program. So you can see here that +1 shows right hand side and -1 is used for left hand side. Now I want to change the face color of Piku so that it looks like a glowing LED, or it makes Piku so happy, because Piku is very happy in his imagination. Go out after lockdown, then how he feels like. So you can change the colors. Now after changing the colors, I'm going to click the green flag. So it's just the last one. You can try some more interesting animations as well, as I show you in the beginning. You can try it, and you can upload your animations on my Facebook page.
If you like my tutorial and if you want to suggest anything, then you can comment me anytime in the comment box. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook page, and you can also send me the mail. And if you are facing any problem, any doubt, ask me anytime. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more